Hi traders, so in today's video I will cover a really important topic and a really interesting one, and this is how to start trading as a beginner. It is a really requested video, so let's just jump into it. The first thing is, don't ever trade with demo accounts. And you know, I saw so many traders who started to trade demo account and made millions of dollars from $2, and they told me that they are the best traders in the world and they are gods and they will be millionaires when they start to trade live accounts. And you know what happened? They started to trade live accounts and they lost all their money immediately. So the first thing is, you should remember, start with live account at the beginning. Even with a small amount, it doesn't matter. It should be live account because it will give you the proper emotional training for trading. So you already know that demo trading, paper trading is bullshit. It is useless because it gives you a false confidence in the markets, and the markets are cruel and they don't give a. So the thing is, just do the following. Start a small live account and get a paper and pen and write down a really simple strategy, like the price crosses a certain moving average or an RSI trading plan or something like that, and make a couple of simple rules and try to follow it. And the second thing is, in this part, that get the paper and pen, okay, write down the strategy, and when you fail, when you make a mistake, when you have a lost trade, just think about it. What was the exact thing that made that trade go in the wrong direction, and just write it down. And sometimes it will be it will be some emotional stuff, and most of the time it will be that you did not follow your own rules. Believe me, I saw hundreds of traders just break their own rules. It is part of the progress, but you should get over it. So this is the second most important thing. So the next thing is, don't over leverage your trades. And please believe me, because I see so many traders just over leverage their trades and use insane lot sizes for $20 accounts. So what you should do is start trading with a small amount, but your plan shouldn't be that you will be a millionaire for the next week, because that will be a fucking failure and that won't be reality ever. So just trade with a normal lot size. I tell you my actual trading plan that I used when I started trading, and that was, I used a 1 micro lot for $50 for every $50. So I know this is not too much, but your plan is to learn from your mistakes, to learn about the market, to get some knowledge and not to be a millionaire. This is really important, because if you learn to trade with this small amount, you will trade bigger amounts and you will be comfortable. So the last thing is, and I know it is hard for many people, but you should take trading as a job and not a hobby, because trading is a really hard job, and you should learn constantly and just look at the market, look at the charts, and just gather as much knowledge as you can. So when you start trading and you don't already know your style, you should try out different kind of tools. For example, indicators, price action patterns, Fibonacci, support resistance. Try out different tools for trading and create your own style, because trading is really about your personality. Everyone has its own strategy, so you should create yours. I wish you the best. Ciao.